Almost there. Muscle it, Drew. You're almost there.
Damn. Okay, go ahead and crank on that. I can hear it. I think I gotta get on the backside.
All right. You can't go from the top anymore?
Well, it is pinched right here.
All right, here we go. She's about to go. Oh yeah. Keep doing that. Here, you keep doing that. I'll keep turning this.
All right,
All right, you got it? She's definitely cut all the way through. You're good, Drew. It's coming towards you. I don't think we need to twist that anymore.
Okay. You know what? The length of it, though, is... No, it's clear. There's actually like an eighth of an inch at the bottom. It's a good thing it's not touching.
Okay.
Because there'd be more friction. So this is where I was wondering about just sticking in some really small stuff that we'd want to slide on.
All right.
Just to minimize friction.
Okay. All right. Crank away, man. Careful.
Exactly what we wanted.
Yep. All right. Now she's down. Woohoo!
All right.
Nice. Look at that cut.